Hey guys, today I'm going to review the ritual revolvers in gameplay and weapon test. I have two friends with me that I asked to test my weapon with. So here's the clip. As you can see there, it's a 2-shot headshot and a 4-shot body shot with max armor on. And my modules aren't that high, it's about 5 to 6. So yeah, that's it. I'll show you some gameplay with it. Alright, bye.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The scars that you don't let me, on my arms I appear empty. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
stars.
As you can see, I got a few Furies and probably a Rampage pretty soon, but you'll see at the end of the video. But I'll just talk for now. Rich Revolver is pretty overpowered. Just spamming it got me 2 Furies and Rampage at the end. You'll see the Rampage after the round ends. And I'll see you at the round, when the round ends. I just kind of rampage with the ritual revolvers. That proves this is OP. This is definitely a must-get weapon. Well, that's all. Bye.